Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. Venus. Yes, today we are going to talk about Venus, how it works in our horoscope. Each and every planet has specific signification to rule our horoscope. Even though we know all the signification of all the planets, all the houses, but still they report to us or they give us fruits as per our karmic activities of this birth, as well as our karmic activities what we have carried forward from our last birth or multiple births. That will decide your aura, your existence, your living power on this earth and in this birth. And whenever Venus gets affliction in one's horoscope, then definitely we see that this person is finding very much difficulty in sustaining in a financial situation, financial conditions. Even though have good work, earning is good because of other good planetary position, but still end up with multiple expenditures. The resources are very less to to accumulate the money, because expenditure is so much that person is not able to decide that what I have to do next. This Venus, if afflicted in your horoscope, this will also give you late marriage, no marriage, difficulty in marriage, difficulty or obstacles and hurdles in fixing up of marriage. And also if you are in any relationship or you are already into marriage, then definitely it gives you difficulty in getting to being sustained in that particular relationship or in that marriage. Why? Because Venus has Sanjeevani power in it. Sanjeevani means to make that particular element always alive in us. If Venus is not activated in our horoscope, in our life, then definitely your urja, your energy, the energy cells will dim and definitely it will not give you good fruits. We see that Venus, if afflicted with Rahu, Venus with Rahu, we say it is a one way, it is a good combination to give you good creativity, to find that okay, this person is connected to art line, or person is very attractive also. At the same time, person is very restless about physical things, or person is very restless about self, like always have doubt about self, that whether I will be able to fulfill this task or no, whether it is marriage, relationship, physical compatibility, mental compatibility. So this Venus plays very important role. Even though if this Venus is posited with Shani or debilitated Shani, then also you will find that person is facing multiple financial issues as well as relationship and marriage related issues. So Venus plays very important role in our horoscope. Venus with Ketu also, you will see that years together are passing, person is not able to marry, even though person is in relationship. Always, since multiple years, person is giving you history that yes, I am into relationship, but because of some or other reason, I am not able to marry. Why this is so? This is because of your Venus. Even though Jupiter is good in your horoscope, maybe that Jupiter is giving you strengthening of that relationship, understanding between you and your partner, but definitely it is not allowing you to be together with a knot called as marriage. Again, Venus may give hindrance in progeny. Same combination, Venus with Rahu, Venus with debilitated Shani, debilitated Venus itself in your horoscope, or Venus with sometimes Mercury also, you know, Venus with Mercury also. If Mars is aspecting this Venus Mercury, then also if Venus with Surya, then also you find difficulty in progeny or marital bliss or sustaining in any work. Profession wise also, like in profession what? In profession it is Lakshmi, it is money. So multiple things we have to keep in mind while assessing a horoscope. Whenever any question comes related to money, marital bliss, we have to see the strength of that Venus. So today I am going to share one of the important remedy for this afflicted Venus, whether Venus is with Rahu, Ketu, debilitated Shani in 7th house, or you are not finding a suitable match for you because your Venus is afflicted, it is in Surya, or even though not posited with any planet, but of all these nakshatras what I mentioned before. So one of the simplest remedy is to worship Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi has a capacity to give you marriage. Another goddess, if you want to worship, then it is Ma Parvati. But Mahalakshmi and Ma Parvati both you can worship. Now what day you have to worship? So what you have to see, that Mondays are the best to worship Ma Parvati, and Friday is best to worship Mata Mahalakshmi. Simply you have to offer milk made sweet to Mata Mahalakshmi every Friday. You have to decide these Fridays in odd numbers like 5, 7, 11, like that. You have to offer this milk made sweet to Mata Mahalakshmi, and offer kumkum packet, or just roli, what we call as a red kumkum powder. Also you can offer along with that. Yellow turmeric powder also you have to offer, and along with that one coconut, brown coconut, what we call as Jatawala Nariyal in Hindi. This will really help you a lot in improvising your Venus, no matter for marriage, money, finance, sustainability in profession, progeny. I have found this remedy working fantastically. If you want to perform the same remedy for Ma Parvati, you can do the same thing on Mondays. Okay. If your Venus is with Chandra, then specifically you have to perform this remedy on Monday to Ma Parvati. This will enhance your aura, this will polish your aura, and definitely good energy will get attracted towards you. These simple remedies really magically works for us. So try it, and really I hope that every one of you will be happy with it. And as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho, may all be blessed. Namaste. Thank you.